Here is a brown and brass, I'm going to say 48-inch CEC spinner, or Toastmaster, I don't know which, that I picked up in New Orleans at Richard Moss's house. And it's a really nice looking fan. It had a 4-inch fitter on it that I removed. Popped a screw in there, so that's good to go. And it works really well. The only thing it's missing is this variable speed knob. But I can turn that pretty well by hand anyway. It's reversible and all that stuff, and it works really well. And it's just kind of noisy. It's got a buzz. And it does wobble a bit. I have to balance it. Variable speed does work. Oh, that's a pretty nice fan. Nice brown top mount spinner to complement my brass one that I have as well. And it's a pretty stylish looking fan. It's got a really big motor, about 1.5 inches thick there. Probably 2 inches if you count the parts that are beveled out. Very nice. I like this type of spinner in particular with this kind of motor. Yeah, it's just a nice fan. That's about all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed.